Hello and welcome to Band with Mr. B. You clicked on this video because you want to learn the song Numb by Khaled and Marshmello, and that's great. Couple things before we get going. Number one, use the detailed description to get to the chapters and learn the way that you need to learn. There's a finger through at a slow tempo, and then there's a play through at a faster tempo. Also, don't forget to use the cog wheel and the YouTube playback to slow this thing down to as slow as you need to get it. And then finally, like I tell every one of my band students, live and in person, you need to practice small sections slowly until it's easy. Get it right a bunch of times, and then move on. Don't try to read the whole thing at once, especially when you're learning by yourself. You have plenty of time, there's no rush. You're excellent, and you're going to be able to do this in no time. Let's get going. Hey, it's Mr. B. Are you enjoying this? Make sure you click like and subscribe. Thanks. Hey, you're still here. Thanks for sticking around. If you liked playing this song, if you got better, let me know. Send me a comment in the description. Also, we have a Discord server. You're welcome to join. We have a community of people who play band instruments, who show off for one another, who talk gear, who talk about band stuff, funny stories. You're welcome to come on in. We'd love to have you. See you next time.